The kids are cooking with their little toys. They're cooking me breakfast. We have Miss Julia, Trinity Child, and we have Emerald Parton. Did y'all have a good Thanksgiving yesterday?
Yes.
I wasn't able to take any pictures, but I can watch you guys today and play. Fixing breakfast, or is this lunch?
Dinner.
Dinner. And you're fixing, what is it called again?
Lasagna.
Lasagna. Okay.
Have that pot, please?
If he's finished with it. And Dominic, what are you making? What are you cooking? What is it? Are you fixing?
Too hot.
Here. What are you making? And whatever it is, it's going to look good.
Come on, Granny. Hey, Dominic, can I have this, please? No!
Okay, now we got to share.
Yeah.
We got to share. Is that finished?
No.
Are you going to eat that?
Yeah.
What is it? What did Dominic make?
Okay, it's done.
Your lasagna is done?
Yep.
Oh boy.
Try it.
Look at that. Look at that.
Take a picture of it. Mommy.
Are you going to eat? You guys go ahead and try out your dishes. Try your dishes out and see if they're good.
Oh, can I take a picture of Dominic?
No, I'm taking one. You go in and you eat your dish. Everybody tries their dish that they cooked. That's what chefs do. We might have 2 chefs in the family someday. Is it good?
Yep.
Now, what ingredients did you use for your lasagna?
Oh, not yet. Shh. I need some paper. Stop.
What's in your lasagna? What did you make it with?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper? What else?
Tea.
This much heat.
Okay, it's done for you.
Oh boy. All right, people, I gotta go and eat my lasagna. Thank you, Chef Trinity.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chef Dominic.
Can I see?
No. Well, here, you're in the way. Move out of the way. Chef Dominic, is yours done? Oh boy. Are you gonna eat yours, Chef Dominic? Oh boy, what is this? Oops. What did Dominic make?
Hey!
Oh, here. Yes, okay, you can share. You can share.
Mine!
Here. Okay, I'm going to have to split the chefs up now. Bye. Say bye.
Bye!
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy